What's up? What it do? What it do? And what it do? My name is Alethea. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by my little old channel to check out a video. I do hope that you will subscribe before you leave. And to my oldie but goodies, thank you so much for rocking with your girl. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining the family. And yeah, so this video is a makeup tutorial. I have gotten requests to do more makeup tutorials, and I was not doing makeup tutorials because they weren't getting that many views, but I like to do it. I'm going to continue doing them. So this look right here, I call a soft matte coral look. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. Soft matte coral look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. Okay, so to start this look, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the caramel, the Fenty Matchsticks in the color Fenty Matchstick in the color caramel. I've already put concealer on my eye when I was putting my concealer on, because I always take, if I feel like there's too much under my eye, I take the residual and I go on my eyelid, and then I either prime with a concealer or with the matchstick. I do have some eyeshadow primers, but I find that I like the concealers or the matchstick, which the matchstick is a concealer, but I find I like those better. And then I just take my blender and blend that out. So I'm starting out with the Nubian 3 Coral by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to, this palette does not have names on the colors, so I'm just going to start in my crease with this color right here. It looks more pink than coral, but this is what I'm going to start off with. I'm just going to place that color in there, and then I'm going to start to blend it out. I'm just going to get it all the way in my crease, moving up just a little bit, but not too high, because this is not my brow bone color, so I don't want to go too high with it. I do want to go up a little bit. All right, so the other palette that I'm going to be using for this look is the Nudes by Juvia's Place. So I'm going to take the Nude palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, and that's what I'm going to use on my brow bone highlight. All right, so now that I've done that, I am going to go back over this part just to blend those two together. I'm going to go back over it, and I didn't add any more color to my brush. I'm just going over this to make sure there are no lines of demarcation, but I think I do need to add just a little bit of color on this side. All right, so with this same brush, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to deepen up my crease just a bit. Same brush. All right, and that's all I'm adding there. And then for my lid color, so I'm just going to take this Dome eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go back into the Nudes palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, and this is going to be my lid color. To darken my outer corner and my crease just a little bit, I'm going to take this brown color right here from the Nudes palette, and I'm just going to place it ever so lightly over here. Not a lot. I'm not using a darker brown because I don't want this to be a smoked out color. I don't want the brown to overpower the coral, so therefore I'm just using a little bit of it ever so lightly. Just going up a little bit, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. I'm going to line my waterline with the Urban Decay pencil. This is in the color Perversion. And then I'm going to take this pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into my Coral palette, and I'm just going to take that same color, this color right here that's in the crease, and I'm just going to go and put a little bit on my waterline. Not a whole lot. And then for an inner corner highlight, I am going to take this color right here, and I'm going to do an inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to line my top lid with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. And y'all know I can't talk and do this. And for my lashes, I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So I'm going to put on, I think I'm going to put on falsies. Let me see how I feel in a moment. So now I'm going to be honest, if I were going to work, because I don't like to wear falsies to work, except for every now and again, I would stop at this, finish my face, and go on about my business. But since I'm not going to work and I'm at home, yeah, I'm gonna put on falsies. Be right back. So I decided to come back while the lash glue dries and put on my bronzer and my blush with you guys. So I always like to take this back some just to make sure my bronzer is high enough. So, and y'all, I'm using my 3-way mirror. I thought I would just use this for doing my hair, but I like this mirror as well for doing my makeup, and it also gives me the opportunity to face you guys while I am doing my makeup, because with my other mirror, the way it's set, it was kind of hard, so I just had it slanted, so that's why I was always turned to the side. All right, so now let's try this Fenty Cream Blush. I'm gonna try this. I've never used a cream blush over powder. So let's see, got a little bit on here, and okay. I'm trying to be careful to make sure that it doesn't move my makeup, and so far it doesn't seem like it is. Let me go this way with it. Some new lashes. I've worn these enough and I need some more, so I gotta find me some. So I have to go and get me some, rather. For a highlight, I'm going to use the Becky G by ColourPop loose highlighter. I went a little crazy. I did too much. Let me get some of that off. Now I want to line my lips and do my lipstick, and I think I want to go something neutral, nude. So this is ColourPop BFF3. Let's use this Flirty by Dose of Colors. And while I always spray my face after I set it with powder, I do want to spray it a little bit more. So let's go ahead and set this face. Okay, you guys, so here is the completed look. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you share this video across all your social media sites. Help your girl to grow. I would definitely appreciate it. And if there are any looks that you would like to see here on my channel, then please let me know, because I am going to keep coming with the makeup videos. I've decided that regardless of how many views they get, I like to do the makeup. I want to share my makeup. I'm going to do the makeup. So yeah. So you'll see plenty of these coming. So if there's something that you would like to see, please let me know, and then I will crank that on out. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. So once again, thank you so much. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.